Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some questions from your Form 4 at Math, Chapter 9, Solution of Triangle. This question is taken from SPM 2022, Paper 1, Paper 2, Section C. Now, diagram 6 shows quadrilateral JKMN, with an area of L square centimeters. It is given that Kn is equal to, the length here is equal to square root of P. Okay, let me enlarge this diagram. Let me label the important information onto the diagram first. Kn is equal to this square root of P centimeters. And angle KMN, which is over here, is equal to 110 degrees. Now, let's look at the first part. We want to find the value of P. So here, I'm going to use cosine rules. Square root of P square, nk square is equal to this square plus this square minus 2 times this, and times the cosine of this, right? This is cosine rules. Okay, so square root P square is equal to 10 square plus 12 square minus 2 times 10 times 12. This is 12, not 10. 2 times 10 times 12 and times cosine 60 degrees. Okay, so square root here, square root and square, they will cancel out each other, so you will get P. Okay, now just press your calculator. 10 square plus 12 square minus 2 times 10 times 12 times cosine 60 degrees. Okay, equal. This is 124. Okay, P is equal to 124. Now but be careful here. 124 is actually not the length of NK, because the length of NK is square root of 124. Square root of P, that means square root of 124. So the length here is actually equal to square root of 124 centimeters. Okay, now let's go to B. We want to find the value of L, so it means that we want to find the area of this quadrilateral. So you notice that there are two triangles over here, right? So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to find the area for this triangle and this triangle, and then I find the sum of these two. Then we will be able to get the area of the whole quadrilateral. Okay, now let's go to focus on this part first. Triangle NMK. So I think you still remember, right? What's the formula that we need to use to find the area of a triangle? So I'm planning to use this side, and this angle. So the side length here, NK, I have, which is square root of 124. And the problem is I don't have MK. And also I don't have this angle either. So how do we, let me get this angle first. Angle MKN. Okay, so the sum of the interior angle of a triangle will be always equal to 180 degrees, right? So we just take 180 degrees minus 30 degrees and then minus 110 degrees. We will be able to get 40 degrees. Now I have gotten the size of this angle. Now one more thing I need to find, which is the length of MK. So how do I find the length of MK? Here I'm going to use sine rules to help me to get the length of MK. MK over sine 30 degree is equal to square root of 124, which is the length of NK, over sine 110 degree. So MK is equal to square root of 124 over sine 110 times sine 30 degree. Okay, this one you just press your calculator and you will be able to get the length of MK. Square root of 124 over sine 110 times sine 30. Okay, so let me just round off it to 4 significant figures. It will be 5.925 centimeter. Okay, this is 5.925 centimeter. Okay, now can we get the area of this triangle? No problem, right? Let me write over here. Area of triangle NMK is equal to 1 over 2 times 5.925 times square root of 124 times sine 40 degree. Okay, just press your calculator. Okay, the answer is 21.20 square centimeters. Okay, so now I'm going to find, okay, let me erase this one first. I'm going to find the area of triangle J and K. Area of triangle J and K. Okay, this one is pretty straightforward. 1 over 2 times 10 times 12 times sine 60 degree. Okay. Okay, this one will be equal to 51.96 square centimeters. So now we can get the area of this quadrilateral. So L will be equal to 21.20 plus 51.96. Okay. Our answer is 73.16. Okay, this is the value of L. Now let's look at the last part. We want to sketch another triangle, which is triangle K prime, M prime, and N prime. So this is ambiguous case, which has a different shape from this triangle, such that K prime, M prime is equal to KM. Okay, so the length here and the K prime, M prime must be the same. Means that we have to keep the same length here for the K prime, N prime. And K prime N prime is equal to Kn. So same thing, this is also the same length, so we cannot change the length of these two. And this angle KNM, this angle, we need to keep it as 30 degrees. So means that we still the new triangle K prime N prime M prime, the angle also need to be 30 degrees as well. Okay. So how do we sketch another triangle which has all the criteria given here? Okay, now let's look at this one. This angle we cannot change it. So these two lengths need to be fixed. So choose the shorter one. So this will be shorter one, right? This will be shorter one. So I'm going to move the shorter one. So the N and M we can change. We can extend it. So what we are going to do, I'm going to extend this line, and this MK, I move it over here. Okay, so this is the triangle that we need to draw for this part B. You need to draw this triangle. Okay, so the M prime is over here. This is N prime, this is N prime, this is K prime. Okay, try to think. N prime, K prime, same length, right? Same side, and then these two same length, and the angle here also 30 degrees. Okay, this is a triangle that we are looking for. Now for the last part, we need to state the value of this angle M prime, K prime, N prime. Okay, M prime, K prime, which is over here, this whole angle. So we know this is 40, right? This is 40, so I need to find that one. This is 110. So what's the angle here? This will be 70 degrees, right? And here will be 70 degree as well. So can I get this angle? The angle M, K, and M prime is equal to 180 degrees minus 2 times of 70 degree, which is 140, so the angle will be 40 degree. Okay, this is 40, this is 40. Now the angle M prime, K prime, N prime, which is this one, this whole angle, is equal to 40 plus 40. Okay, our final answer is 80 degree. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.